So today I come up with some of my younger brothers. They just brought me here to having some free time. So after coming here, I see some boys are playing basketball, and I'm recording this video over here. So one of them just waving his hand and is try to saying that yes, I'm here, don't be afraid, just keep making the video. So I'm gonna show you the exact environment, the exact view of here. So you see there is a big large playground, and I can see Bulak Banata. I'm recording a English content, okay? So don't be like say this kind of things. So one of there is a little boy who is saying that don't make vlog video. So I'm not here for making vlog video. I'm just recording my video. Well, so see, this is the environment exactly, and I can see there is a tree, just big tree, but just have a few leaves. Wow, the environment so amazing. All right, guys.